हेलो स्टूडेंट, आई एम विक्रांत साहब। वेलकम टू माय नीट सेट। स्टार्ट करते हैं बेटा सेल चैप्टर। सेल की यूनिट 2 है। आज सेल और सेल साइकिल दोनों चैप्टर हम इस वन शॉट में कवर करेंगे। इसकी एनसीईआरटी अच्छे से रीड करेंगे, ठीक है। तो आराम से थम के बैठ जाइए और एक एक पॉइंट को हाईलाइट करते हुए चलेंगे। ये सीरीज जो आपकी थी बेटा नीट वाली, इस सीरीज को हम लास्ट मार्च तक खत्म कर लेंगे। लास्ट मार्च तक बेटा इसे एंड करेंगे, कंप्लीट वायु इसकी एनसीईआरटी की। अप्रैल में आपको क्या करना है, अप्रैल में मेरे साथ आपको क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और फिर उसके 15 दिन बाद शॉर्ट नोट से रिवाइज करेंगे। और ऑल एग्जाम्पल, ऑल एनसीईआरटी के डायग्राम सब हम लोग कर लेंगे। तो चलो बिना किसी देरी के हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी एनसीईआरटी। चैप्टर का नाम है सेल द यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, ठीक है। व्हाट इज सेल? तो देखो, सेल हमारी फंडामेंटल स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। एंटोन वॉन लीeuwenhoek first saw describe a living cell. रॉबर्ट ब्राउन लेटर डिस्क्राइब द न्यूक्लियस, ठीक है। सेल थ्योरी की अगर बात करेंगे तो इन 1838 में मैथियास क्लेरेन, जो जर्मन बॉटनिस्ट थे, उन्होंने एग्जामिनेड अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ प्लांट एंड ऑब्जर्व दैट ऑल प्लांट्स आर कंपोज ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सेल्स विच फॉर्म द टिश्यू ऑफ द प्लांट। एट अबाउट द सेम थियोडोर Swan, 1839, British zoologist, studied different types of animal cells and reported that cell had a thin outer layer which is today now as the plasma membrane, ठीक है। He also conclude based on the study on plant tissue, the presence of cell wall is a unique character of the plant cells. On the basis of this, Swan proposed the hypothesis that the body of animals and plants are composed of cell and product of cell. Skeleton and Swan formulated cell theory. This theory did not explain new cells form. Rudolf Virchow, 1835, first explained the cell divide a new cell from pre-existing cell omnicellular acellular, ठीक है। All दो सेल थी, ये थी बेटा ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ सेल एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेल। ऑल सेल्स एलाइड प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है, इसे हम चेक कर लेंगे PYQ में, ठीक है। यहाँ से क्वेश्चन भूल गया है। आगे बात करेंगे, ये आप खुद पढ़ लेना, ठीक है। यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है ज़्यादा पढ़ने के लिए, सिर्फ ये देख लीजिए। माइक्रोप्लाज्मा आर स्मॉलेस्ट सेल ओनली 0.3 माइक्रोमीटर इन लेंथ, वाइल बैक्टीरिया की देखेंगे तो 3 to 5 माइक्रोमीटर। द लार्जेस्ट आइसोलेटेड सिंगल सेल इज द एग ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिच। रेड ब्लड सेल 7.0 माइक्रोमीटर डायमीटर। नर्वस सेल इज द सम ऑफ द लॉन्गेस्ट सेल्स आल्सो वेरी ग्रेटली इन देयर स्पेस, ठीक है। दे मे बी dislike polygonal, columnar, cuboid, thread-like, even irregular. The shape of cell may vary with the function they perform, ठीक है। ये हमारी रेड ब्लड सेल है, वाइट ब्लड सेल, कोलमनर एपिथेलियम सेल, नर्वल सेल, ये आर्ट्रेकिया इलोंगेटेड और मीजोफिल सेल। अब देखेंगे प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल। Prokaryotic cells are the represent bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, and PPLO, pneumonia-like organism. They are generally small and multiply more rapidly than eukaryotic cells. They may be vary greatly in shape and size. The four basic shape of bacteria: rod-like, coccus, spherical, comma-shaped, or spirillum. ठीक है। The organism of the prokaryotic cell is fundamentally similar, even though prokaryotic exhibit a variety of shape and function। और टिपिकल बैक्टीरिया जो होता है, देखो टिपिकल बैक्टीरिया 1 से 2 माइक्रोमीटर होता है, PPLO की 0 से 1, और वायरस 0.02 से 0.2, ठीक है। एक टिपिकल यूकैरियोटिक सेल है। Prokaryotic have a cell wall surrounding the cell membrane except in mycoplasma. The fluid matrix filling the cell In the cytoplasm, there is a no well-defined nucleus. The genetic material basic naked, not enveloped by a nuclear membrane. ठीक है, जीनोम DNA, single chromosome circular DNA. Many bacteria have a small circular DNA outside the genomic DNA. These smaller DNA are called plasmid. Plasmid DNA confirms certain unique phenotypic characters such bacteria. ठीक है, इन हायर क्लासेस में आप देखेंगे डीएनए इज यूज मॉनिटर बैक्टीरिया ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फॉरेन डीएनए न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इज फाउंड इन यूकैरियोटिक नॉन ऑर्गेनेल्स लाइक the one in eukaryotic are found prokaryotic cell except ribosome. Prokaryotic have sometimes unique in the form of inclusion. ठीक है, अब देखेंगे यहाँ पे आया है गोनोगैलेक्सी डिफरेंस कंपोजिशन ऑफ थिकनेस अमाउंट डिफरेंट बैक्टीरिया इट कुड लूज शीट कॉल्ड स्लाइम लेयर इज सम वाइल्ड और टफ कैप्सूल बेटा सेल वॉल डिटरमाइन शेप सेल एंड प्रोवाइड स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चरल सपोर्ट द प्रिवेंट टू बैक्टीरियम फ्रॉम बर्स्टिंग और कोलोस्पिंग. ठीक है ना, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन सेलेक्टिवली permeably in nature and interact with the outside world. This membrane is similar structurally to that of the eukaryotic. A special membrane structure is the mesosome, which is formed by the extension plasma membrane into a cell. These extensions are from vesicles, tubules, or lamina. They help in cell wall formation, DNA replication, daughter cells. They also help in respiration secretion, increase to the surface area of the plasma membrane, enzymatic content in some prokaryotic like cyanobacteria. There are other membrane extensions into the cytoplasma called chromatophore which contain pigment. आप सिर्फ क्लास को सुनते रहिए, एनसीईआरटी कोड के बैठ जाइए मेरे साथ, इसको सुनते रहिए और इसकी रीडिंग करते रहिए. ठीक है, bacteria cells may be motile or non-motile. If motile, they have thin filamentous extension from their cell wall called flagella. Bacteria show a range of number arrangement of bacterial flagellum composed of three-pied filament, hook or basal body. ठीक है, the filament is the longest portion extend from the cell surface of the or to the outside. Besides flagella, pili fimbriae also surface structure of the bacteria but do not play role in motility. PYQ से चेक कर लो. ठीक है, PYQ है शायद ये नीट 2020 का. ठीक, the pili are elongated tubular structure made of special protein. The fibrae are small bristle-like fibers supporting out of the cells. In some bacteria, they are now to help attach the bacterium the rocks stream and also to the hot tissue. Okay. राइबोसोम्स एंड इंक्लूजन बॉडी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पैराग्राफ है, कंप्लीट पैराग्राफ को इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. ठीक है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनता है तो इसे अच्छे से देख लेंगे. ठीक है, राइबोसोम्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द सेल्स. दे आर अबाउट 50 नैनोमीटर से 20 नैनोमीटर इन साइज एंड मेड ऑफ 2 सब यूनिट 15S 13S unit present 17S prokaryotic ribosome are the site of the protein. Several ribosomes may attach to a single mRNA from a chain called polyribosome or polysome. The ribosomes of a polysome translate the mRNA into protein inclusion body. Result material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasma in the form of inclusion body. These are not bound by membrane system, lie free in the cytoplasma. Example: phosphate granules, cyanophysian granules or glycogen granules. Gas vacuoles are found in blue green algae, purple and green photosynthetic bacteria. आगे बात करेंगे बेटा यूकैरियोटिक सेल के ऊपर. ठीक है, ये हमारी यूकैरियोटिक सेल है. ठीक, सेल मेम्ब्रेन यूकैरियोट में टॉपिक हमारा सेल मेम्ब्रेन. तो चलो इसको हम डिटेल में देखते हैं. द डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन बाय स्टडी ओनली आफ्टर द एडवेंटेज of the electron microscope in the 1950. chemical study on the cell membrane, especially in human red blood cells, enabled the scientists to distribute the possible structure of plasma membrane. This cell membrane is mainly composed of lipid and protein. The major lipid phospholipid, the arrangement in a bilayer lipid are arranged within the membrane with the polar head toward outer side, the hydrophobic tail toward the inner pipe. This ensures the non-polar tail of saturated hydrocarbon protected from the aqueous environment. Phospholipid membrane also contain cholesterol. Biochemical investigation clear revealed that the cell membrane also possesses protein and carbohydrate. The ratio of protein and lipid varies considerably in different cell types. In human being, the membrane of the eclectocyte approximately 50% protein, 40% lipid. ठीक है, depending on the ease of erection, membrane protein can be classified integral, peripheral. Peripheral protein lie on the surface of membrane. Integral protein are partially or totally buried in the membrane. ठीक है, अब देखो, ये हमारी शुगर है, ये शुगर है, ये पेरिफेरल प्रोटीन है बेटा, ये फॉस्फोलिपिड है। ठीक है, ये हमारी इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन है और ये कोलेस्ट्रॉल। An improved model structure called cell membrane was proposed by Singer Nicholson 1972 as a fluid mosaic model. ठीक है, fluid mosaic model. One of the most important functions of plasma membrane is the transport of molecules across the membrane selectively permeable. Some of the molecules present at either side may molecules can move very freely across the membrane without any requirement of energy, and this is called passive transport. Neutral solute may move across the membrane by process of simple diffusion along the concentration gradient from higher concentration to lower concentration. Water may also move across this membrane from higher to lower concentration. Movement of water diffusion is called osmosis. ठीक है, polar molecules cannot pass through non-polar lipid bilayer. The required carry protein of the membrane facilitate transport across membrane. ठीक है, few iron molecules transport across membrane against their concentration gradient from lower to high concentration, from lower to higher concentration. ठीक है, transport is an energy dependent process in which ATP utilized and called active transport. Example है सोडियम पोटेशियम की पंप। ठीक है, अब देखेंगे हम अपना सेल बॉल। क्या देखेंगे? सेल बॉल। तो ठीक हो, नॉन लिविंग रिजिड structure called the cell wall from outer covering of the plasma membrane. Fungi and plant cell wall not only give shape to cell, protect the cell mechanical damage infection, also in cell to cell interaction and provide very unreversible macromolecules. Algae have cell wall made of cellulose, galactose, mannans, and minerals like calcium carbonate. In other plants consist of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and protein. The cell wall of young plant primary wall is capable of growth, which gradually dismisses as the cell mature, and secondary wall is formed on the inner toward membrane side of the cell. The middle laminar layer is mainly of calcium pectate with whole or granulous different behavioral cells together. The cells ball and middle lamella may transferred by plasmodesmata which cannot cytoplasm of nivarious cells. एंड्रोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम लिखेंगे बेटा। ठीक है, एंड्रोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम, पेंसिल स्टार हो रही है। एंड्रोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम, एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम में हमारे चार चीज इंक्लूड है, बहुत ही ध्यान से देखना है क्या क्या इंक्लूड है। एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, लाइसोसोम एंड वैक्यूल। एक मिनट, हाँ, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, लाइसोसोम एंड वैक्यूल। ठीक है, इतनी चीज याद रखिए। अब देखेंगे हम एंडोमेम्ब्रेन रेटिकुलम को। ये रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है और ये स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। जहाँ पे राइबोसोम्स लगे हैं ये रफ एंडो है, ये स्मूथ है। ठीक है, इस चीज को ध्यान रखना है। एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम देखेंगे। हाँ, presence of network reticulum trinitubular structure secreted in the cytoplasma is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum divides intraspace into two distinct components: laminar inside, external. Or endoplasmic reticulum often ribosomes attached to their surface. Outer the endoplasmic reticulum bearing ribosomes on their surface is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. In the absence of ribosomes, they appear smooth, are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is frequently observed in the cells actively involved in protein synthesis and secretion. ठीक है, protein synthesis and secretion. They are extensive and continue with the outer membrane of nucleus. Outer membrane of nucleus. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the major site of the synthesis of lipid in animal cells. Lipid like steroidal hormone are synthesized in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. गोल्गी apparatus देखेंगे। गोल्गी apparatus फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व किया था कैमिलो गोल्गी 1898 में। ठीक है, दीज बेयर लेटर नेम गोल्गी बॉडी आफ्टर हिम। दे कंसिस्ट ऑफ मे प्लेट डिस्क शेप सिस्टर्ने ऑफ 0.5 माइक्रोमीटर टू 1.0 माइक्रोमीटर। ठीक है, दीज आर स्टैक्ड पैरेलल to each other. Varied number of cisternae are present in Golgi complex. The Golgi cisternae are concentrically arranged near the nucleus with distinct convex six on the forming face and concave trans or the maturing face. The cis and trans face or the originals and entirely different but interconnected. The Golgi apparatus principally perform the function of packaging material to be delivered it either to the intracellular tuber. ठीक है, अब आपको क्या, हाँ एक चीज ध्यान रखो इसमें। Golgi apparatus is the important site of formation glycoprotein and glycolipid. इसे चेक करो PYQ में 2020। ठीक है, लाइसोसोम, लाइसोसोम पे आते हैं। ठीक है, लाइसोसोम पे आते हैं हम लोग। अब ये क्या कर लो ना। ठीक है, 2020 का PYQ है। Lysosome. These are membrane-bound vascular structure from by the process of packaging in the Golgi apparatus. The isolate lysosomal vesicles have been found to be very rich in the almost type of hydrolytic enzyme lipase protease carbohydrate optimally active at the acid pH. These enzymes capable of digestive carbohydrate, protein, lipid and nucleic acid. ओके, न्यूक्लिक एसिड। बात करेंगे हम वैक्यूल्स की। वैक्यूल्स देखो, वैक्यूल्स इज द वैक्यूल्स इज द मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड स्पेस found in the cytoplasmic. It contains water, excretory product, other material not useful of the cells. The vacuole is bound by a single membrane called tonoplast. In plant cell, the vacuole can occupy of the up to 90% of the volume cell. Tonoplast facilitates transfer of the number of ions and outer material against concentration gradient into the vacuole. Concentration significantly higher vacuole than in the cytoplasma. Amoeba contractile vacuole, important osmoregulation and excretion of protista food vacuoles from by एंग्लूफिनिंग फूड पार्टिकल्स। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया देखेंगे। The number of mitochondria per cell is variably depend physiological activity of the cell. In terms of shape, size also consider degree variability. It observed typical. It is suggested shaped or cylindrically having diameter 0.2 से 1.0 micrometer average इतना लेंथ इसकी इतनी है, ठीक है। Each mitochondria is a double membrane bound structure with the outer with the outer membrane. Inner membrane divides its lumen distinctly into two aqueous compartments, the outer compartment and the inner compartment. The inner compartment is filled with a dense homogeneous substance called the matrix. The outer membrane forms the continued limited boundary of the organelles. The inner membrane forms a number of infolding called crystal. Two by two matrix, the crystal increase the surface area. Two membranes have their own specific enzyme associated mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the site of anaerobic respiration. They produce cellular energy in the form ATP. Powerhouse of cell कहते हैं मैट्रिक्स। Matrix also possesses circular DNA molecules, few RNA molecules, ribosome, 17S compound requires synthesis protein, the mitochondria divided by fission, ठीक है। प्लाज्मिड देखेंगे। प्लास्टिड आर फाउंड इन ऑल प्लांट सेल। They are easily observed under microscopic. They bear some specific pigment. कौन से? Chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. The chloroplast contain chlorophyll, carotenoid pigment which are responsible trapping light energy, essentially photosynthesis. In the chromoplast, solute carotenoid pigment like carotene, xanthophyls are other present. This gives up the part of the plant yellow, orange, and red color. The leucoplast or the colorless plastic berry shape and size store nutrients. Amyloplast store carbohydrates of potato. Alloplast store beer. Arylloplast store protein. Majority of chloroplast of the green plant are found in the mesophyll cells of the leaves. These are lens-shaped, ovule, spherical, discoid, or even like organelles having variety length 5 to 10 micrometer with 2 to 40 micrometer. These are number varies from per cells of the chromosomes green alga 20 से 40 per cell in the mesophyll. The chloroplast are the double membrane bound. Inner chloroplast membrane relatively cell permeable. The space limited by the inner membrane of the chloroplast called stroma. A number of organisms flattened membrane sac called thylakoid, ठीक है, are present in the stroma. Thylakoid are arranged in stalk like piles of coins, ठीक है। grana, the internal thylakoid. There are flat membrane tubules called the stoma lamina connective the thylakoid of the different grana. Okay. The membrane of the thylakoid encloses a space called a lumen. The stroma of the chloroplast contain enzyme required from the synthesized carbohydrate and protein. It also contains small double-stranded circular DNA molecules and ribosomes. Chlorophyll pigment are present in a thylakoid. The ribosomes of the chloroplast are smaller 17S than the cytoplasmic राइबोसोम 18S। ये आउटर मेम्ब्रेन है। इनर यार हाँ, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, इनर मेम्ब्रेन, ग्रेना, टेट्रा, स्ट्रोमा और ये स्ट्रोमा, ठीक है। अब बात करेंगे हम अपनी राइबोसोम्स की। किसकी करेंगे? राइबोसोम। राइबोसोम Ribosomes are granular structure first observed under the electron microscope. Dense particles, Gerg Pledii, 1953. They are composed of ribonucleic acid, RNA, and protein. Are not surrounded by any membrane. The eukaryotic ribosome 18S, prokaryotic 17S. Ribosomes has two subunits, large and small. The two subunit 18S and 16S, 14S, while 17S, 15S और 13S, ठीक है। सैड सेवडेबर्ग यूनिट कहते हैं। ठीक है, बोथ 17s 18s राइबोसोम composed of two subunit. साइटोस्केलेटन देखेंगे, एन elaborated network of filamentous proteinaceous structure consisting of microtubules, microfilament and intermediate filament present in the cytoplasm is collectively referred to as cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton in a cell are involved in may functions such as mechanical support, motility, maintenance of the shape of nucleus. ठीक है, ये स्मॉल यूनिट है और ये लार्ज यूनिट। सिलिया एंड फ्लैजिलम। ठीक है, the electron microscopic study of a cilium or the flagellum show that they are covered with plasma membrane. They are core called axoneme, processes number of microtubules running parallel to the long axis. The anomaly usually has nine double let of radial arranged peripheral microtubules. A pair of centrally located microtubules, such as arrangement of microtubules is referred to 9 plus 2 Li. The central tubules are connected by bridge and is also enclosed by a central sheath, which is connected to the one of the tubules of each peripheral doublet by a radial spoke. There are nine radial spokes. The peripheral doublets are also interconnected by linker boot. The cilium flagella emerge from the centriole-like structure called basal body. Centroma and centriole देखो, centroma and centriole. Centroma is an organelle usually containing two cylindrical structures called centriole. They are surrounded by amorphous pericentriolar material. Both centriolar in a centrosomes lie perpendicular to each other in each organization like cartwheel. They are made up of nine evenly shaped peripheral fibrils of tubules protein. Each of the peripheral fibrils is a triplet. The adjacent triplet are also linked. The central part of the proximal region centriole is also proteinaceous called hub, which connected with tubules of the peripheral triplet by radial spoke made of protein. The centriole from the basal body of cilia or flagella. The spindle fibers give rise to spindle apertures during cell division in animal cell. अब देखेंगे अपना टॉपिक न्यूक्लियस। न्यूक्लियस आर सेल ऑर्गेनल फर्स्ट डिस्क्राइब बाय रॉबर्ट ब्राउन 1831 में। ठीक है, द मटेरियल न्यूक्लियस स्टैंड बाय द बेसिक टाइप और गिवन बाय नेमिंग क्रोमेटिन बाय फ्लेमिंग। द इंटरफेस न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द सेल when it did not dividing has highly extended to elaborate nucleoprotein fiber called chromatin, nuclear matrix, and one or more spherical body called nucleoli. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोपिक has revealed that the nuclear envelope, which consists of two parallel membranes with a space between 10 to 15 nanometer perinuclear space from barrier between the material present inside the nucleus and that of the cytoplasm. Okay? That of the cytoplasm. The outer membrane usually remains continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum and also bear ribosomes on its at the number of places nuclear envelope to interact by minutes for which are formed by fusion of two membrane. ठीक है, द न्यूक्लियर मैट्रिक्स न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्मा, अरे यार क्या हो गया, चलो कोई ना। The nuclear membrane nucleoplasma containing nucleus chromatin. The nucleoli are spherical structure present in the nucleoplasma. The content of nucleus is continuous with the rest of the nucleus, as it not membrane bound structure. It is side from actively ribosomal RNA. Large and numerous nucleus are present in the cell actively carrying, ठीक है, cell actively carrying. You may recall that interface nucleus has, ठीक है, network nucleoprotein structure chromosomes in place of the nucleus. Chromatin contain DNA, some basic protein called stone, non-stone protein RNA. Single human approximately 2 meter long thread of DNA distribute, ठीक है, each chromosome visible only divide essentially at primary constituting centrosome. On the side of this shape structure called kinetochore are present centromer hold two chromatid of a chromosome based on position. Centromere chromosomes can be classified into four types. Metacentric chromosomes and middle centromere forming two equal arms of the chromosome. Some metametric centromeres slightly away from the middle of the chromosomes, resulting into one short arm and one long arm. In case acrocentric chromosomes, the centromere is situated closely to its end, forming one extremely short and one very long arm. टेलोसिंथेटिक क्रोमोसोम्स एज टर्मिनल, ठीक है। पता नहीं क्या हो जा रहा है यार। माइक्रोबॉडी both minute vesicles called microbody that containing various enzymes present in both plant and animal. तो ये चैप्टर हमारा हुआ बेटा कंप्लीट सेल वाला, ये चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया।